It's just like when you go to the sea, go to the ocean, go to the forest, there are more alignment energy.
And that's why we find peace.
Peace,
in those places.
calm, energetic, more ozone, more energy. We feel that.
What is Chi?
Chi actually are very simple, it's life force. Or we say bioelectromagnetic power. But Chi we call bio. We have electromagnetic power in the space around us. Everywhere you can have this energy, magnetic power. But we also have the bioelectromagnetic power, so the only differences is the electromagnetic power and bio. Bio means alive, a living cell can use energy. So that's what bioenergetic energy. Now, the Qigong is you use your own Qi that have intelligence and you draw the energy from outside, so you have more energy to use, so called Qigong.
So you need a biological element,
Yes.
but there's energy around you, and it's
You can
about me channeling that energy.
Right. Because outside energy is we call random. That means they are not alignment. But we when we have bioelectromagnetic power, it's more alignment. Negative, positive like that. But outside is negative, positive. They're not alignments. But if you have good energy, you align and you move, they follow you. The West now are very crazy in how can we take the energy in the space and use them.
Right.
This is unexhaustible energy. And that's what all the systems in the world, they discovered that. So in Chinese we call Qi, in India we call Prana. In many systems they have different names for that.
Okay. And what do the West call it? What do the Americans call it?
We call energy.
Energy.
Or we
Okay.
call electromagnetic power. And we are electrical man. We have electricity inside us. We need that electricity to run our life. We have bioelectromagnetic energy, but we never focus it. So people are success because they know how to focus and concentrate their energy. So we call your energy are more focused and concentrated. When people are not success, their energy, the mind go one way, the eye go one way, the heart go one way. So energy very scattered and you lose energy. Human is a very important bio battery that can be charged, can store and get energy. So the Westerner discovered that the structure of intestinal is like a battery, negative, positive. It can charge energy. They discovered that, but they never go on what to do with it. For me, it's good to just do some simple exercise in the sitting position.
All right.
Because we are very simple. If we understand a simple way is that we are 70% water, the same thing like Earth. Earth is 70% of ocean, water, and 30% of Earth that we stay on. So we have the fluid inside, and everything is a fluid floating. So the first step, we have the spinal cord fluid floating in the spine. And when we sit on the pump. So that we have the sacrum pump and cranial pump. Okay. So a very simple exercise, we say moving the spinal cord fluid and the brain fluid. Okay. So what we do, we inhale, we go like this. We inhale, you expand your chest, you expand your stomach, and your neck go like this. Okay, your chin go back.
Oh, okay.
And now when you exhale, you curve down. So you curve everything down. Inhale, smile, breathing in golden light into your spine and your brain. And exhale, cloudy and gray color out. And sometimes we just let go all the emotion or everything down to the ground. So inhale, exhale. When you do for a while, you rub your hand warm. And you cover the sacrum and your cranial. So now when you rest for a while, you can really feel like warm. Your second warm and your cranial. This is the cranial pump. So we have a pump because we stand up. So the Tao said when we stand up, we like a 24-story high. So people live on the top floor or on the 10th floor or 20th floor. The most important part is water going up. Okay. No water, we finish.
Okay.
Electricity, water, everything. So when you feel that, when you move them, something moves. And now when you can feel them, okay, conscious feel about something moving, energy moving, we call you beginning practicing the Chi. When you inhale, the fluid go up. When you exhale, the fluid go down. The sickness, it comes from